Good morning guys! Tingnan nyo naman yung aking mga bulaklak dito. Hi! Malinis ang ating paligid today. Oh yan. Ang init na guys. So, good morning, good morning. May puno ng langka. So ayun guys, hindi pa namin napatabasan kasi wala pa yung hardinero. So ganyan lang guys. Hi. Pangit na yung bulaklak namin. Good day mga langga. Ayan guys. Pagtabas-tabas na, hindi na maganda yung mga halaman. Ay, may saging. Ayan o. Parang buhay probinsya. Ito naman guys, yung pungsoy ko na pungsoy. Pungsoy sa aking amo. Maganda siya. Magandang halaman. Ayan din. So may nagre-renovation guys sa kabilang kalye, kaya medyo maingay. Ayan. Ganito ang buhay-buhay dito sa Malaysia guys. Tahimik pag umaga. Walang sasakyan na kagarahe. So ito naman guys. Ikakat natin yung iba. Ayan. Wala ako guys, videographer. Videographer. Sarili ko lang ang videographer. Ayan. Trim natin para gumanda. Auntie, how are you? What? Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, so many flowers. Yeah, you cut the leaf, then they grow up.
Yeah, they grow up. Yes.
Flower more than the leaf. Yeah, that.
Yeah, good. That one is good also.
Oh, like that.
Every week or
This one, nice.
trim.
Oh, this one. Oh, you plant one, ah?
My boss.
Oh, not you, ah?
Yeah.
What you do?